You've all been there. You're giving a presentation and the audience just tunes out. I mean, hell, you're probably tuned out right now. When communication is one way, we check out. And the easiest way to make it two-way is using questions. So what then is the best type of question to ask during a presentation? And how do you do it like a pro? My name's Robert Graham, and I'm the founder of Grahamcomm, and we've been helping people become outrageously good speakers and ask really good questions for over 20 years. So let me break it down for you. There's 4 types of questions: open-ended, quiz, poll, and rhetorical questions. Now, the type of question you use will depend on, you guessed it, 4 factors: your audience size, the type of presentation, how much time you have, and how much risk you want to take. Now, open-ended questions are the riskiest, but they're also the juiciest. Someone give me a topic.
Cat videos?
Perfect. An open-ended question might be, what makes cat videos so irresistible? The nice thing about open questions is that they can create great discussions. Use these when the audience is small, you have more time, and you want to be as interactive as possible. Next, we have the quiz. Now, I like quizzes because they get people involved. An example might be, who can guess how many cat videos there are on YouTube? By the way, there's over 4 million of them. And I'm pretty sure my daughter's posted at least 2 of those. So use quizzes when you want to quickly engage, ensure the audience is paying attention, and test their knowledge. Another quick and easy question is the poll. Now, polls are the most inclusive type of question. They're also great pattern interrupts, and they get everyone involved both mentally and physically. A poll could be, how many of you have watched a cat video in the last month? And finally, we have the rhetorical question. Now, these make people think, and they don't even require an answer. An example might be, can you imagine an internet without cat videos? A world without cat videos, it's crazy style. So here's the key to being a master question asker. You have to telegraph what kind of question you're asking, and therefore what kind of response you're looking for. And now you're ready to ask the 4 types of questions. So I ask you, why wouldn't you do this in your next presentation? We love to read your own best practices and thoughts on asking questions and cat videos in the comments section below. Please share this video with anyone you know who owns a cat or wants to be a better speaker. And if you like this, subscribe and we'll include you in the next one. We said no stupid questions. Was I not smiling? Was I frowning? I don't know what to do next. Should I just keep going? And there we go.